I'm going to show y'all how I make my dishwashing liquid. What you're going to need is a 32-ounce spray bottle, 2 bottles of water, a disposable pipette, lemon essential oil, polysorbate, and a surfactant. You can use any surfactant you want. A surfactant is a surface tension breaker. All it does is that it breaks the bond between your food or whatever stain you have and your surface, and it allows it to release. Polysorbate is an emulsifier. I get it from Weeping Willow. An emulsifier allows oil and water to mix. Lemon oil, I get mine from Green Health. Use whatever kind you want to. Lemon oil disinfects, so you definitely want this in your dishwashing liquid. Lemon oil is something you always want to have in your kitchen. Once you get it all combined, there shouldn't be any essential oil floating on the top of that water. Now I'll add my surfactant, and I'm not going to measure this. I'm just going to put in about a teaspoon. And there you go, dishwashing liquid. Now I'm going to show y'all how well this homemade dishwashing liquid works. I use this electric skillet to fry tortilla chips, and it still has some oil left in it, and now I'm going to clean it. There you go. It's all clean.